Welcome to 10115 Nightingale Street in Gaithersburg, Maryland. How you doing? I'm Chris Thompson with ReMax. Let's go take a tour of this 2-level townhouse. Standing in this huge family room, you've got plenty of space for a dining space and a family room space, or just one big family room, because the kitchen over here, come with me. This kitchen has a great table space, plenty of room to still cook, tons of counter space, lots of cabinets, and if you wanted to add an island, this would be a perfect place for it, right here. Checking out this backyard, it is the biggest in the community because it's an end unit. You get that extra 10 feet of space that makes a huge difference up here. But all in all, great backyard space, fire pit, swing set. You got a great storage shed right here. Take a look.